Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today is the French reading practice of the month of October. I made one last month and I asked if you wanted to have one once a month. You said yes, so here we are. This is the one for the month of October. This reading practice is going to be divided in 3 categories. The first one is going to be les lettres muettes, silent letters. The second one is going to be les liaisons, links. And the third one is going to be les sons, sound. If you don't know about the rules of French reading practice, I invite you to go watch my video How to Read in French, and then maybe watch the first French reading practice to see how we do. Because last month I used 3 very simple sentences, when this month it's a bit more complicated. So I'm going to read the text to you and then we are going to see the translation and then we are going to start. Aujourd'hui, je suis allée au magasin pour acheter du pain et du lait d'amande. J'ai acheté du pain, mais il n'y avait pas de lait. Ce n'est pas grave. J'irai dans un autre magasin demain pour en acheter. So this is very simple grammar. If you have questions about passé composé, negation, or how to use the pronoun y, I will put a few videos in the description box. So for the translation, today I went to the store to buy bread and almond milk. I bought some bread, but there is no milk. It doesn't matter, I would go to another store tomorrow to buy some. Very easy. So the first thing we are going to see is the silent letters. If you want to pause the screen right now and try to do it yourself, it's a perfect time, because after it's going to be full of colors. So, aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. The H is silent. We never pronounce the H in French. H is always going to be silent. Aujourd'hui, je suis. So the S is silent. Aller. In case of the person reading this is a woman. In my case, I am a woman, so I will personally write it as A-L-L-E-E. But I'm not going to pronounce the E. Je suis allée au magasin pour acheter du pain et du lait d'amande. So we don't have actually many silent letters in this sentence. The next one is going to be a lait, because I don't say let. We don't pronounce the T. And then amande, the. The last letter that I pronounce is D. D'amande. So I don't pronounce the E. Second sentence. J'ai acheté du pain. So j'ai, we pronounce everything. Acheter, we pronounce everything. Du pain, pronounce everything. Mais, so I don't say mess. We don't pronounce the S. Il n'y avait. The T à avait is silent. Pas de lait. So the S at pas is silent and lait, like I said before, L-A-I-T, we don't pronounce the T. Next one. Ce n'est pas grave. So here, technically, we don't pronounce E-S-T, we don't say est. But I don't count it as silent letters because it make a very specific sound. Okay? Ce n'est pas, we don't pronounce the S. Grave, v. So the last letter that we pronounce here is V. Grave. So the E is silent as well. J'irai dans un autre magasin. J'irai, we pronounce everything. Dans. We don't pronounce the S. Un autre. So here we don't pronounce the E. Magasin. Demain. Pour en acheter. So after the E of autre, we don't have any other silent letters. Now let's see the links. We have 4 different links in this little text. If you want to pause this video and try to find them yourself, it's a very good exercise. So let's see the first sentence. Aujourd'hui, je suis allée au magasin pour acheter du pain et du lait d'amande. Aujourd'hui, je suis allée. Did you find it? Allée. So the S from suis is going to be transferred to aller. And it doesn't make a S sound, it makes a Z sound. Je suis allée. So it's very 2 different words. Je suis allée. Okay? Second sentence. J'ai acheté du pain, mais il n'y avait pas de lait. J'ai acheté du pain, mais il n'y avait pas de lait. So here we don't have any links in this sentence. So for the last sentence, I told you that we have 4 different links in this little text. So obviously the last sentence has 3 links. So the first part, ce n'est pas grave. Ce n'est pas grave. No links here. J'irai dans un autre magasin demain pour en acheter. J'irai dans un, so exactly like suis allé, the S from dans is going to be transferred to un, dans un, make the Z sound, dans un autre. So here the N from un is going to be transferred to nôtre. Dans un autre. Going to be transferred to autre, not nôtre. Transfer to autre. Dans un autre. Magasin demain pour en acheter. So here it's the exact same thing. En acheter. So the N from en is going to be transferred to acheter. Pour en acheter. Okay? Let me know if you found the 4 links. And now the most interesting part for me, the sound, les sons. So you know that in French we speak by sound, we don't pronounce every single letter. So we have very specific sound for each group of letters. So I'm going to give more space between the lines so I can add some little notes. So, aujourd'hui. So AU make the sound O. O, it's a soft O. It's not a O. O, it's a O. O. Aujourd'hui. So OU make the sound OU. Aujourd'hui. OU. And then UI make the sound oui. Oui, it's a bit like a W and a I. Oui. Je suis. So UI is the exact same pronunciation as aujourd'hui. Allez. O, AU, exact same pronunciation that aujourd'hui. It's a soft O. Au magasin. So the G, magasin, is a hard G because it's followed by the letter A. Magasin. The S, if you heard well, is not the S sound, it's going to make a Z sound. So I don't say magasin, I say magasin, zin. IN make the sound un. Pour, OU make the sound OU, exactly like aujourd'hui. Pour acheter, T. So here ER make the sound E. We don't say acheter, make the sound E. Acheter. Du pain. AIN make the same sound as IN. Pain. Et. ET make the sound E. Du lait. AIT make the sound E. d'amande, d'amande. So an make the sound en, d'amande. Second sentence, j'ai acheté, so ai make the sound et, j'ai acheté, du pain, ain, do you remember, make the sound un. J'ai acheté du pain, mais, ais, make the sound et. So when it's ais, it's always the sound e. Mais il n'y avait pas de lait. So ait at avait, once again, make the sound e. Il n'y avait pas de lait. Lait. Ait, sound e. And the last sentence, ce n'est pas grave. Ce n'est. So est make the sound e. Okay? Ce n'est pas grave. J'irai. So here, because we don't have a S or a T at the end, it makes the sound E. J'irai dans. AN make the sound en. Dans un. UN make the sound un. Notre. So AU, we saw that a couple of times already. It makes the sound of a soft O. So we don't say notre, we say notre. If you say notre, it's a totally different word. Magasin, we saw that word at the beginning. So the G is a hard G because it's followed by the A. The S make a Z sound, and IN is pronounced un. Magasin. Next word. Demain. AIN make the sound un. Pour, OU make the sound ou. En. So EN make the exact same sound as AN. Pour, en, acheter. So ER at the end, we saw that as well, make the sound E. N'acheter. That's it, you just completed the French reading practice number 2. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss any other video. Like this video if you liked it, and I will see you soon for another lesson.